In this video, I'll be showing you how to sew this elastic waistband, also known as the jogger's waistband. Greetings everyone and welcome to my channel. I've already sewn my short to this point. The waist circumference of your short should be more than your hip circumference so that it can easily pass the hip circumference. Next, I'll go ahead to measure round the waist of this short. For how I cut and sew this short, I'll leave the link in the comment section or the description box. So I'll go ahead to measure round the waist of this short, and this gives me 47 inches. So I've gone ahead to cut the waistband for the waist. The width of this is 6 inches and the length of this is the 47 plus 1 inches for sewing allowance. That is the length I have here. Next, I'll plait the two ends together like this and I'm going to sew it down. Now, after sewing this together, you are going to flip it to the right side. After that, you go ahead to place it on fold like this. It should be on equal fold like this. You can iron it to make it easy for you, or you can just use your hand and iron it as you see me do like this. So when you have done this, you are going to keep this aside so that we can cut the elastic. The elastic I'm using is 2 inches wide and the length of the elastic is 27 inches long. I'm going to place the two ends of the elastic together and I'm going to sew it down like this. After sewing it down, you are going to place this elastic into this folded band like this. You place it in it like this. Then you go ahead to close up the open part of this fold. So I'll just go ahead to sew this all around and we'll proceed. Here I am done sewing this all around like this. Next, I'm going to stretch it like this. This is to ensure that the fullness is shared evenly all around. Next, to our sewing machine, to sew this, you are going to stretch this as you sew. You stretch as much as possible, and if you know you cannot get a very straight line, I recommend you mark out the lines before you go ahead to start sewing, but ensure that you are stretching this very well as you sew. So here I am done with one part of the line. I'll move to the second part of the line and I'll go ahead to sew it the same way we did for the first line. All you have to do is to stretch it very well as you sew. Stretch and sew. And like I said, if you know you cannot get a straight line, you can mark out your lines before you go ahead to sew these lines of elastic. So quickly I'll go ahead to fast forward this part, and here I'm done. So here I am done. Next, we are going to be joining the elastic to the short. We are going to be placing the elastic right side facing right side on the short. You can pin it up or you can just sew it if your hands are strong already. So how to sew this? You stretch the elastic and you sew it on the short. Make sure that the elastic and the short is seated equally on the seam as you sew. You are stretching the elastic to the fullest and you are sewing this. I'm going to be arranging, stretching and sewing. I'm going to sew this all around. So here I am done with the sewing. For the rope, you are going to be using a fake rope, but to see how to fix a real elastic rope in an elastic band, I have a video on that and I have linked it down in this video. This is 2 inches wide, the length is 10 inches long. So how to do this? You are going to place it on fold like this. Then you go ahead to place it on another fold like this. Then on the third fold like this. You go ahead to do this fold and you sew it all the way to the down. So I'm going to take the rope that I've already sewn, place it on fold so that I can get the center of the rope. Now we are going to be placing this on the middle line of the front center on the elastic. So I'm going to sew it like this. So after sewing this like this, to finish the hem of the rope, you are going to use a lighter or a candle to burn it and you press it like so. You do this for the both ropes and this is it. To see a tutorial on how I made the top of this short, I also linked it down in the comment section or the description box. Thank you so much for watching.